Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Hearthstone mount. You can easily acquire the Sarge's Tail mount for your World of Warcraft character. This adorable mouse mount is a free reward for completing a quick tutorial in Hearthstone's Mercenaries mode. It's a straightforward process, even if you've never played Hearthstone before, taking only about 15 minutes of your time. To begin, first download and install Hearthstone from your Battle. Net Launcher, it's a free-to-play game. Once installed, launch Hearthstone and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the Mercenaries game mode. You might encounter some introductory messages or pop-ups, but feel free to skip these to get straight to the tutorial. Now, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Mercenaries tutorial. This involves a series of about 5 introductory encounters, which are quite easy to win. You'll also be guided to build a few base structures, like a campfire and a travel point. Just click through the prompts, no complex strategy is needed. Once you've completed the Mercenaries tutorial, you've done all the hard work. The Sarge's Tail mount will automatically be sent to your in-game mailbox in World of Warcraft. Simply log into WoW, visit any mailbox, and claim your new, charming mouse mount. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.